Calaquachero, I just want to tell you that here in Belgium, they're not only popular in chocolate, do you know that? They also popular in beer and many, many kind of beer.
Sa loob tindahan, parang may tindahan sa loob. Tingnan natin. Wala tayo dito sa square. What they have here. Oh. Bar. Bar pala to. Ay, sa hotel? Small hotel, ha? Yung mga beer, oh. Look.
It's just a small street.
Wow, it's a street ng may mga beer, oh. Ganda, no? Lahat ng klase ng beer nila. Oh, look at this bar. It's beautiful. Ayun, may umiihi po si Maniki Kiss.
They have Manike beer here. That's what it's called, Manike beer.
Oh, look, the Maniki beer. Tayo. Dahil nga maraming beer. Ganda.
Look, ang daming beer dito sa Brugge. It's in Brugge. Yung mall niya, nakita nyo, puro beer talaga siya. Picture tayo sa beer. Ang dami. Sige, pasok tayo sa tinda, sa kanilang bar.
Halika ate, pumasok sa loob. Tingnan mo, puno ng beer. Tayo. Daming klase ng beer, oh. So many kind of beer, oh, over there. And also the plates, ayun, no, mga plates ng beer. Ganda. Lahat ng dingding niya, oh. No? Ayun, hanggang sa labas, oh. Dingding na sa labas. Dingding. Buong dingding niya talaga hanggang dun sa harapan. Yeah, this is my first time here to beer. So we will remind this place, or we will remember. Remind me this place when we came to Brugge. We supposed to bring Rhoda here.
Who?
Rhoda, the one from America. Yeah.
Sobrang dami, ano. Sana dito namin kayo nadala, Rhoda. Shout out from our friend in America. Daming beer, oh.